celebrate our first marriage anniversary, we are going to Goa. Flight is at 4:45 at Chennai SpiceJet. We have come 1 hour early and we are waiting for the flight. So finally we are in Goa. We took the flight at 4 o'clock, reached here by 7 and took 2 hours to enter the city. Very difficult to find a tea or coffee shop here in Goa. And I think the city comes alive only after 12 o'clock. We are on top of the Chopura Fort, which was built by the Portuguese in 17th century to protect Goa from invaders. And if you see this, this is the Arabian Sea, and this fort is placed in such a way that you can see the entire of Goa from this fort. There is something known as Anjuna Flea Market, which is held every Wednesday, but only in the season. Unlucky for us, whenever we celebrate our wedding anniversary, that is in August, it's off season. Even last time in Manali, remember? Yeah. None of the event was, like the paragliding and other stuff was not happening. And even here, most of the things are closed. Even the flea market today, we came here planning that today is Wednesday, we have to come here and see the flea market. But the market is closed. So last night we were in Baga Beach till 11 o'clock. We reached home at 12 o'clock, and today morning we got up at 12 in the noon. Meena is making breakfast. We bought 4 eggs and all the 4 eggs are spoiled. So we are planning to go to the nearby fish market, get some fish, and going to prepare the breakfast at home. We are going to Boom Basilica Church in the south of Goa, and we are taking a road which is very beautiful. Yeah. We traveled 40 kilometers and we have come to Old Goa, Boom Basilica of Jesus Church. There is another church on the other side, and then there is some crucifixion cross which we are going to see. And then the fourth thing which we are going to see is Station of Christ. So till now we have seen 4 churches, and today I think is a church day. We saw a church, we took a break, then we saw another 2 church, and the only thing here is the architecture and of course the Catholic history, which is very rich. I mean, like, they've been in India for a very longer time. And right now we are sitting near a gun factory which is just next to the church, and even for that they have a beautiful architecture.
Also, this place is very clean. Not so much people are here. Maybe because this is in Old Goa.
Yeah. Almost all this building has been taken over by the Archaeological Survey of India, and I think that's a good thing because all these are 400 years old and we need to maintain it. Still free to go inside, clean and maintained really well. We went to Dakar Island just because we wanted to go take a ride on the ferry. Meena too loved it. We came to Route 66 to have beef steak. They don't have beef steak, so we had pork steak. Delicious. Now we are going for a night walk on the street of Goa. One thing about Goa is the native people of Goa, when they are on the left, they don't cross the line. They always use indicator, and they don't unnecessarily cut lines or anything. They are so disciplined. So me, coming from Chennai, I have to change the style of riding to fit in Goa. The only people who are not following the rules, they cross the line or do anything unnecessary, are people who are non-Goan. So most of the time, I if somebody is breaking the rules, I always see the bike number, and it's always Maharashtra, Gujarat, or some dumbass from somewhere else. So that's one good thing about Goa. Number 2, if at all you come to Goa, bring a lot of cash. A lot of places they don't accept card, and you don't find a lot of ATMs. So it's always good to have cash ready with you, and it's pretty safe.